We have in stock SIM card readers and SIM trays for your XR, iPhone 11, iPhone 12, 12 Pro, and 12 Pro Max, as well as 13. So what this basically does is it changes your iPhone, your single SIM iPhone to dual SIM. Okay, so it works on only factory unlocked phones and US version phones. So DM so that I'll check it for you. If you are eligible, we can sort you out. So you'll be able to use your Vodafone and your MTN at the same time on your phone, or you can use your Airtel to go or MTN at the same time on your iPhone, your XR, your 11, your 12, your 12 Pro, and your 12 Pro Max, as well as your iPhone 13. And it's a professional work. It won't give you any problem. Um, Everything is embedded in it, so it's just a fix and then you are good to go. To take you 30 minutes to be done, and we'll give you warranty. If anything happens, we'll sort you out, but it's perfect, no flaw. Thank you.